Hey there guys, Yoshi Joshua White here, back with another video. Today, we're doing a video on a Lego custom Ashnflash. So let's begin. For the face, we're going to use the face from Scott Lang, aka Ant-Man from the new Endgame sets. But the head has come in many other places. For the hair, you can use the hair from the guy from Harry Potter CMF series. That was a Tri-Wizard guy. Next, for the torso, I had to improvise and use the Star-Lord Mighty Micros figure, but flipped around. Then for his legs, we just gave him regular jerk jeans. Also in his hand, I put something from the Sanctum Sanctorum, which is like the Spider-Man drawing, basically they could use, because Ashnflash in his videos does art. They do art and they makes custom minifigures, except I'm the one who has the actual minifigures in hand. So yeah, this has been a video making one of my favorite YouTubers, Ashnflash, into a Lego minifigure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, bye guys.